morning everyone. Good morning dear children. My name is Harshita. For you I am Harshita Miss and today I am back with our online classes. So we have completed in written work capital alphabets, small alphabets, A to Gia Anara and countings also. Okay, and we are learning sight words from last 3 days. Today is our last day for sight words. Sight words are so many in numbers. Okay, approx 100 sight words हैं और 120 बहुत सारे sight words हैं. So we have covered almost 50 sight words. Okay, which are necessary or sufficient for our first class and for UKG also. So today is our last day for sight words. I am expecting from kids to learn all these sight words till today or tomorrow. कल तक भी आप ये सारे साइड वर्ड्स टोटल 50 साइड वर्ड्स लर्न करेंगे. फ्रॉम टुमारो वी विल स्टार्ट विद द इंग्लिश लेसन्स. ओके, फर्स्ट लेसन ऑफ इंग्लिश वो हम स्टार्ट करेंगे कल से. सो हियर 12 न्यू साइड वर्ड्स वी आर हैविंग टुडे. सो लेट्स रीड इट. स्पीक विथ मी. ओके, स्पीक विथ मी. M-E me. M-E me. A-N-N. What is the sound of A? An. What is the sound of N? N. N. A-N-Y. Any. A-N-Y. Any. W-H-E-N. When. When means come. When. W-E-R-E. Word. Word. ओके, दीज आर साइड वर्ड्स. आपको देखकर ही इनके प्रोनाउंसिएशंस आने चाहिए. ओके, एज सून एज यू सी देम यू हैव टू प्रोनाउंस देम राइट. ओके, सो साइड वर्ड्स आर मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग. ओके, if you want to read and write properly then you have to learn sight words. Okay, without sight words you will not be able to read and write. Okay, so please concentrate, repeat after me, don't be shy and learn all the sight words. Write all the sight words in a copy. Okay, सारे sight words एक copy में आप लिखेंगे and then उनको आप learn करेंगे. S-E-E-C. C. C. S-O-M-E. Some. Some means कुछ. Some. L-I-K-E. Like. I like Harshita ma'am. L-I-K-E. Like. Like means पसंद करना. L-O-O-K. Look. Look. Look here. Look at the board. Okay. L-O-O-K. Look. H-E-R-E. Here. Here means यहाँ. Come here. Come here. So here means यहाँ. H-E-R-E. Here. T-H-E-R-E. There. Go there. There means वहाँ. Here and there. So here means यहाँ. There means वहाँ. Go there. There. G-O. Go. G-O. Go. We have so many sight words. G-O. Go. T-O. To. D-O. Do. Okay, so you have to learn all the sight words. If you want to read and write easily, so you have to learn sight words. Write all the sight words in a copy. Make notes of sight words. Okay, so today is our last day for sight words. From tomorrow we are starting with our lesson 1 of English subject. So be prepared. हमको लेसन्स में क्या करनी है? रीडिंग. वी हैव टू रीड द चैप्टर्स देयर. सो हमें क्या आने चाहिए? साइड वर्ड्स. वन मोर टाइम, रिपीट आफ्टर मी. 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 एन. एन. एनी. एनी. व्हेन. व्हेन. वर्ड. Word. See. See. Some. Some. Like. Like. here, there, there, go, go. Okay, so these are our 12 sight words for today. Note them in your copy. Okay, and let's have a small test. Okay, I am going to ask you the sight words which we have learned in past 3 days. Let's see if you are able to recognize them. Okay, so I am asking some sight words to you. First, T H E. Tell me, what is this? The pronunciation of T H E is? Yes. The. Good. Next. This is I. If you are able to read them, then you are doing very good. Okay, and if still you are not able to read these sight words because these are the easiest sight words, then you have to study more. Okay, tell me, dear parents, please make sure that your kids are able to read these sight words, and if they are not able to read these sight words, then please give them more practice and help them in their studies. Okay, and why my? Yes, tell me, speak louder. What is this? Which letter is this? Which word is this? I-S. Is. Okay, is. In 4 days we have learned 48, approx 50 sight words, and these are the easiest and simple sight words. As I told you, we have more than 100 sight words. There are more difficult sight words also, but you have to learn these sight words first because they are easy and they are most commonly and frequently used. Okay, so try to learn these sight words. Tell me, what is there? H-E-R. H-E-R. Tell me. Yes. Her. H-E-R. Her. C-A-N. C-A-N. Which word is this? What is the pronunciation for C-A-N? Can. 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 Now one more. This is A-N-N. N. This. As you noticed, मैं भी जब पढ़ाती हूँ, so I am using this word. Okay, this is. So this is also most commonly and frequently used on reading and writing. Okay, so T-H-I-S, this. Dear kids, please learn these sight words. Okay, so we have covered approx 50 sight words. So please learn this, note them in a copy and prepare your notes. Thank you so much.